Reza and welcome to TNB TV ILSAS Today News. We have an important report to highlight as Tenaga Nasional Berhad TNB has recently released its integrated annual report for the year 2022. This report provides a comprehensive overview of TNB financial and non-financial performance, giving a stakeholder a clear understanding of the company operation and future prospects. Let's start by focusing on some key statistics of the report. TNB reported strong financial performance with a total revenue of 50,000 million ringgit Malaysia and a net profit of 3,000 million ringgit Malaysia for the fiscal year that ended on December 31st, 2022. This figure demonstrates the company's ability to generate value of its shareholder and investor. Now, turning our attention to TNB international footprint, I would like to highlight of the report. TNB has expanded its presence beyond Malaysia, venturing into the United Kingdom. In the UK, TNB operates power plants including Tenaga Wind Venture UK Limited with a capacity of 26.6 MW, Clean Energy and Infrastructure UK Limited with a capacity of 97.3 MW. Vantage Solar Investment SARL with a capacity of 365 MW, and Blight Offshore Demonstrator Limited with a capacity of 41.5 MW. This international venture showcased TNB commitment to becoming a leading provider of sustainable energy solutions, not only in Malaysia but also on a global scale. In conclusion, TNB 2022 Integrated Annual Report highlights its strong financial performance, its strategic objective, and its international presence in the energy sector. The report reflects TNB commitment to sustainable, responsible governance and innovations. Stakeholders can refer to this report for a detailed overview of TNB operation and its effort toward creating a better world. That's it for tonight's news. Thank you for joining us and remember to stay informed.